Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to reset your Windows 11 password without using a USB drive. If you are using a Microsoft account, the easiest way is to recover your password online. Start at the Windows 11 sign-in screen. Click on the option that says I forgot my password. This will open the recovery process. Now follow the on-screen instructions. You will be asked to verify your identity. This can be done using your recovery email or phone number. Enter the code you received and continue. Once verified, you can create a new password. Make sure to choose a password you can remember. After resetting the password, restart your computer. Connect to the internet if you are not already connected. Now sign in using your new password, and you should be able to access your account. If you do not see the password recovery option, there is another method you can try. On the lock screen, click on Sign In Options. Look for the web sign-in icon and select it. This will allow you to sign in using your Microsoft account through the web. Follow the prompts shown on the screen. Complete the verification steps, and you will be guided to reset your password. Thanks for watching.